Everything is content. Everything is content. Don't forget to film it. Don't forget to film it. Everything is content. Everything is content. Don't forget to film it. Don't forget.
Sunshine, blue skies, gotta cry. All I'm saying.
Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. It's good to be back again here, and thank you so much for the new subscribers. You're most welcome to join the family. You're most welcome to join this amazing clan. So road to 400 subscribers. Let's go, guys. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Okay, so on this vlog you're going to see me going to get my hair done, which is actually this one. So don't worry, this is 1 week after. Yeah, so you're going to see me get my hair done, and then thereafter I'll be traveling home, like up country shags. So I'll be traveling home, and I don't know that place because I rarely go shago. So, and then yeah, just come along and see what's happening. So guys, lately my face has been not doing the most. It has not been doing justice to me. As you can see, I have some black spots here, and then hapa on my forehead. I don't know if you can see, there's some, kuna vitu zimefura, there's some pimples, and they don't get to understand those type of pimples. But yeah, my face is really breaking out, and I'm really looking for alternatives to what I can use to improve it. Yeah, because I was using Ganya products, and okay, it's working, but I don't know if it's working anymore. So yeah, okay, a friend of mine advised I should don't apply makeup for some time, like for a week, because makeup here seems to bring them the things that are appearing on my forehead here. So it seems makeup also brings them. So she advised that you should stop using makeup for about a week, and I'm really on it. Like right now I'm just putting my gloves on, and that's it. Hi guys, so we are here already, and that is my salonist doing what she does best. Yeah, and then this is me, and that was my outfit for the day. And here we're just done with the hair, and just have a look at that. So neat, so nice. Oh,
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't pay no trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man to me by no means. King of the road. Trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Give, give,
So my mom was teasing me that every time I'm just with the camera, taking videos and pictures. So yeah, she doesn't know I'm a YouTuber. So let's unbox this. So this fridge was bought a while ago, but it was not in use since the power here is not that stable. So it's when we are unboxing it, and my brother is really doing the most here. So actually mom doesn't even remember how much it was because it was long time ago, but it was approximately 40. Yeah, so in case you may be wondering or wanted to buy a similar design, it's approximately 40. Everything is content, everything is content. Don't forget to film it, don't forget to film it. Everything is content, everything is content. Don't forget to film it, don't forget. I'm going to do my nails. And hey, easy, isn't it OG? Like, hey, they've really sustained me like about a month or do my nails today. And I went to Pinterest to look some nail inspo and see some design I wanted, and I think we're going to do sky blue. The sky is the limit, period.
Okay.
So we're going to do sky blue, and yeah, hope it turns out good. So stick around. Thank you for the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly do so, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, and tell me your views in the comment section. Bye. Let's get going.
Kabla sa sila ni